娃娃兔。
Today, we're taking you to check out one of Shanghai's most iconic landmarks, Longhua Temple. If you're exploring Shanghai's old landmarks, this place is definitely worth a visit. There you are, our first cat guide for the day. This is the incense offering area at Longhua Temple. Here, people are offering incense. According to the rules, the incense can be taken into the main hall and you can't hold it while bowing to the Buddha. On the sign at the entrance of Longhua, it says, "Before each Buddha hall, perform 3 bows. When bowing, you should keep your mind calm and peaceful. If you like to make a wish, let go of selfish thoughts and any intention that harm others for your own gain." During the Qingming festival, people come to Longhua Temple. More often than not, it's to pray for loved ones who have passed away. The Longhua Pagoda is located in the Longhua Temple area in Shanghai, and is a pretty cool spot to check out. It was first built way back in the 5 Dynasties period, and even though it's been renovated a few times, it still stands tall at about 40 meters. The pagoda has that classic Chinese design with multiple tires and those signature upturned eaves, all decorated with beautiful carvings. The tower shadow at Longhua Temple is a really unique spot that blends art with history. This place is to recreate one of the 8 scenic views of Longhua, mentioned in ancient texts, the Autumn River Tower Shadow. When you visit, you will see these cool installations and exhibits that use lights, shadows, and reflections to bring the ancient architecture to life in a fresh way. Aside from its religious significance, the Longhua Pagoda also served as a landmark in ancient times. Ships traveling around the river also spot the pagoda and know they had reached Longhua town in Songjiang. Right now, there's also an exhibition going on at the tower shadow space. This piece is called The 18th Arhats. Okay, let's meet our second fluffy little cat guide at Longhua Temple. This little cat guide is recommending the Longhua vegetarian noodles to us. At Longhua Temple, you can also enjoy some Buddhist tea. This type of tea is called Dragon Pearl. Inside, it's wrapped with pu'er tea. Our third little cat guide is keeping an eye on the kettle to make sure the water boils. Here, you can also find some super cute Longhua-themed cultural and creative products. Thank you for your hard work and hospitality, Kily. Our fourth little cat guide has been waiting patiently. This little cat guide is a bit shy. But since she's hiding out in the peony garden, we're guessing she really wants us to check out the peonies. Right at the entrance of Longhua Vegetarian Restaurant, there are a few peony plants that are nearly 200 years old. They were first planted during the Qing dynasty in the Xianfu era. Right now, it's peak peony season. Not far from here, if we peek over the fence, we can spot two little dogs. One yellow, one white. It said that these are the abbot's little dogs. Of course, you can also spot some little dogs belonging to the locals of Shanghai, since Longhua is a pet-friendly place. Our fifth cat guide is taking us to the Grand Hall. It's the venue for major Buddhist ceremonies, celebrations, and exhibitions. When there aren't any special events going on, you can come here and try your hand at copying Buddhist scriptures. It's open for visitors every day before 3 p.m. Under the eaves of Longhua Temple, where incense had curled for 1,000 years, I realize, though our languages and beliefs may differ, the longing for peace, the awe for history, the appreciation of beauty connect us all. Next time you're in Shanghai, come listen to its bell. It echoes, not just time. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything.